Hello everyone, moving to the last interesting session today of the topic nutrition in human beings. So let's start. We already discussed in our earlier session about the functioning of small intestine and the four steps of digestion in human beings, or nutrition you can say, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, right? Then what is this importance, or why is this large intestine present though all the steps are being performed by till small intestine? Let us discuss. It is said that large intestine consists of three important parts. First is ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. The start of the large intestine is known as cecum. Okay, so the large intestine consists of three important things: ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon, and the start of large intestine is said to be cecum. Okay, then it is a part which connects small intestine to the next or the last part of digestive system, that is rectum. Okay, so connection is small intestine is connected to the last part of digestive system, that is rectum. It is said to be large intestine, though you can see the length is smaller than the small intestine. Okay, the length is smaller than the small intestine. Then I was worried why it is known as large intestine. It is basically because the diameter of large intestine is greater than the diameter of small intestine. So why it is known as? Because the diameter is large. Okay, diameter is greater, or the size of the tube is large in large intestine, and hence it is known as large intestine. Whereas the diameter, though the length is longer in small intestine, the diameter is less, hence it is known as small intestine. Okay, then the only function of large intestine is absorption of the materials, or the absorption of the substances which are not absorbed by large intestine. Few of the substances or few of vitamins and minerals are not absorbed by small intestine. Those vitamins, minerals are absorbed by small intestine, and majority is that the water is absorbed by large intestine. So whatever is not absorbed by small intestine, like vitamins and minerals and salt, are now absorbed in large intestine and then transferred to the blood, and blood will absorb and transfer it to all parts of your body. In addition to that, maximum water absorption takes place in large intestine. Whereas whatever undigested food is present, now everything is not being digested in your human body, in the human digestive system. Not each and everything which you eat can be digested into the simplest compound in the human digestive system. Hence, this leftover undigested food has to be excreted out of your body, has to be removed out of your body, otherwise, it will lead to various diseases in your body. So, this undigested food has to be excreted. So, from the large intestine, it is passed into the storage part of a digestive system, that is rectum, and rectum is connected to an external opening, a opening in your body which will excrete the waste out of your body. So anus is an opening, and rectum is a pouch like structure. Suppose this is rectum, and it will open. So through this, the waste material will move out of the body. So this is rectum. So here the unwanted or undigested waste is stored here, and finally it is removed out of the body through anus. Okay, so this undigested material which is stored in the rectum is also said to be feces. In general language, if I call it, it is said to be number 2, which we excrete every morning. Okay, so feces is basically stored in the rectum, and whenever it has to be excreted out of the body, it is excreted through an opening that is known as anus. And this excretion of the undigested material out of the body comprises the last step in our process of nutrition, that is egestion. So what is egestion? Remember, egestion is basically excretion of undigested material out of the body through anus. It is also said to be defecation. Defecation means removal of species. Okay, removal of feces. What is feces? The undigested material present in the rectum. Okay, so that is all about human nutrition or human digestive system. Majority of the functions takes place till small intestine. Later on, remaining absorption takes place by large intestine, and one more important function is absorption of water. In addition to this, the undigested material is stored in the rectum, and rectum will perform the last step in the process of nutrition, that is egestion, that is removing the feces out of the body. Okay, one important concept or additional point I would like to mention about large intestine is that large intestine secretes some antibodies. Okay, our large intestine has the power to secrete some antibodies which will help you develop your immunity, or which will make your immune system more strong. That is one important thing again about large intestine, that large intestine make antibodies, and antibodies are important to enhance our immunity so that if any foreign particle enters your body, it can be killed by the antibodies present in your body. Okay, so that was all about human nutrition or human digestive system. Basically, if we summarize, human digestive system consists of two parts: alimentary canal and accessory glands. Okay, human digestive system consists of two parts: alimentary canal and accessory glands. Under this, you have different options. Secondly, there are 5 important steps important in the process of digestion. That is ingestion. Please remember, don't get confused with egestion. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Okay, all this takes place at different parts. There are two types of digestion. We have mechanical as well as chemical digestion. Remember this point. And then structure and function of each and every part of human digestive system. Digestive system. Okay, so this is all which is very important, and you have to study in detail about human nutrition or human digestive system. Thank you.